Namaskar. The guest of honor, the Professor Devang Khakar, the member of the Board of the Governance, Director Professor B.K. Mishra, the Dean of the IIT, Professor Bindya Shubhu, Professor Sachin Kore, the Registrar V. Venkat Rao, and Mr. Nitin Kukalekar, the Board Member of the IIT, the members of the Senate, faculty members, staff, students, and parents. Greetings to the students on the occasion of third Convocation Ceremony of the Indian Institute of Technology of Goa. Let me first congratulate all the students of the class of 2022 and who are graduated today. It immense proud moment for any students to be the part of the Convocation Ceremony. You have come a long way since you joined the IIT Goa. I gathered that the previous convocation were held virtually mode and because of the pandemic. It is heartening to see that and you can now celebrate this joyous occasion in person with your family members. The COVID-19 is adversely affected our lives for the last 2 years. The very fact that we are celebrating this together in this auditorium today is a success story of itself. Since from the inceptions of the IIT, I know personally for this moment, it was the dream of Sri Manohar Parrikar to establish the IIT in the state of Goa. Being an alumni of the IIT system, he understood the transforming power of the top technology institute in the overall development of the state. Thus, on the day of 6 years back, the IIT had started functioning in the Goa College of Engineering campus. It has grown tremendously over the years, and with the current overall strength of the 650 students and 53 faculty members and numerous administrative and supporting staff. The many accolades received by the students and faculty members of the IIT Goa at various regions, national and international forums speaks the volume about the students' community, commitment to the higher education and that of an institutions to the students' community. It is our vision to support the IIT Goa in becoming one of the best technological institutes in the country. As we all know that the country is undertaking transforming in its education policy. In this regards, the IIT Goa is a significant role to play in the effective implementations of the New Education Policy 2020 at the grassroots level. The collaboration of the IIT Goa with the government of Goa and with the other local bodies. As already the Professor P.K. Mishra had already told you during the COVID period, first of all, I'll say the very much thanks for the institutions so that you have opened your hostel as for the COVID quarantine center, especially thanks for that. And specially congratulations for all of you as scientists and all the students also for manufacturing and distributing the face shield for our frontline workers during the early day of the pandemic. It is a good example for the institutions for the social commitment. As I know, it is always the Professor B.K. Mishra is helping us in the various field in the government. Now, this institute is assisting the state government in the various matters is related to the governance also. And for example, as he told, the IIT Goa has developed the chartboard and with added and smooth conduct of the recent Legislative Assembly elections. The several faculty members have assisting the various initiatives in the state government such as the promotion of the startup and making the state as IT friendly. I recently heard that the MOU had signed between the Goa Police and the IIT that will help for strengthening the police force and for the various traffics and various problems that police have. Definitely you people will help in the good governance. I expect the IIT Goa should play the significant role in solving the environmental issues which is faced by the government of Goa. As you know, the Goa is well known across the world for its green vegetation, pristine beaches and clean air. It is cherished by every travel to Goa and we are committed to maintaining our nature's given gift. I understand the IIT Goa is collaborating with the State Pollution Control Board in the data analysis and developing the forecasting tools for the air quality level. Let me state that the climate change is real and we have to come the grip with it affecting the coastline erosions due to the change in sea level and causing it is flooding and due to the excessive rain, saltwater instructions and to the freshwater domain, etc. I will urge the IIT Goa community to provide the scientific experts to deal with such type of issues. Further, the threat of the microplastics of our food chain, particularly in the fish, is looming large. I expect the IIT Goa to take up the such study to provide the remedial measures for both the demand and supply chain. The contribution of the institutions in adding and promoting the local industries is noteworthy. I come to know that in the research of the institutions have been successfully developing the machines and tool for the silicing bamboos. This is a great improves that the process of manufacturing the agarbatti and the other handicraft. I understand that these tools worth of over 1 lakh rupees have already been transferred to the beneficiaries by the institution. I applaud the institutes taken by the IIT Goa to collaborate with the Goa Shipyard Limited to provide the consultancy services for the several projects such as the ship lifting and condition monitoring, etc. I invite the further participation of the institutions in the journey towards the building the Swayambhurna Goa for our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Recently, already the IIT Professor B.K. Mishra has ready to sign the agreement with our Planning and Statistics Department to complete this mission of the Honorable Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar Bharat, and which we are converting into the Swayambhurna Goa. I know there is a long pending issue of the IIT campus. It is a long story. Actually, in my last tenure also, as all of you know, that is always coming in the newspaper. Always we had given the places at 2, 3, somewhere in Kankona, Sanghe, Sattari. Every time there is a problem is coming this. But this time I'm not promising you anything, but I'm telling you the one thing, sure shot, we are giving you the permanent campus within a short span of time. And I'm really working on this. The Professor B.K. Mishra and your entire team knows this. That's why I said, I'm not promising you anything. Anyhow, for the students, the single most important contribution of any educational institution is its student. Most of you will know and walk into an intense work life, away from the demanding and intellectually uplifting of the academic atmosphere. While you should use your knowledge, skills, and intellectual capabilities to address the pressing the social and economic concerns of your fellow citizens, you should also adopt that is an human approach, as you may not always succeed in solving the problem, but you will never fail in providing the healing touch. Some of you may already worked on commendable research project. It is a testimony of your scientific ability and intelligence. I firmly encourage you to pursue your scientific dreams. I hope the Goa has been a gracious host during your time in an institute. I'm sure that you have imbibed some of the values of our Goan culture rooted in a strong sense of equality and representing the freedoms of the others and uncompromising the attitude towards the life, leisure and happiness. Although it is along with our coconut growers and the white beaches, and these are the values that have been travels from all over the world to our shores. We respect the people's all faith, and that context, the Goa is preferred example for the universal brotherhood and social harmony. As a parting message, I hope you will be the treasure this value that the Goa will remain forever with you. Lastly, I will like to congratulate the parent, faculty members and friends of all the students present here. This day would not have been possible without their relentless supports. The students graduating today will surely took a step closer to their goals when they made it to the IIT Goa in a few years ago. However, it takes more than just dreams to make it true. We are doing these celebrations at India at rate 75. As we are celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, which is starting from the 15th of August 2022, and you are graduating on this occasion on our Honorable Prime Minister's vision to make New India. He has always the dream for the youth. Vision Startup India, Skill India, Clean India, Make in India, Fit India. So, definitely he is asking for the youth to make New India. I appeal to all the students, so we'll work to fulfill the dream of our Honorable Prime Ministers for New India. That's all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir.